Something in the way he moves me. I don't want to leave him now. You know I believe in how. Do 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 do. You're asking me, will our love grow? Gawin in gikain dancing. You stick around and it may show. Gawin in gikain dancing. Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today I'm here with Niwini Mushane, with Natasha. Ekadom, Boozhoo, sweetie. Ah, Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. What? No, nothing. All right, so today's Ojibwe word of the day. Gawin, ninkakain, danzin. I don't know. And what am I going to say about I don't know? Gawin, ninkakain, danzin. I don't know. All right. Well, hey. You know what I do know? What? This is your song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Ah, kita kain, sweetie. Yeah, me too. All right. Well, hey, you've been watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about true love. Eh? I will see you again. Ki kawabamin, minawa. Awa.